Let's make some tacos, but not the classic tacos you know. I'm giving mine a bit of an Indian twist today. The filling is going to be made up of these delicious pakoras. Now, pakoras are fritters. These ones in particular are made up of onions, spinach, and lots of spices. Usually you would have this as an appetizer with maybe a mango chutney, but they are a fantastic filler for tacos just like this. So I've preheated my oven about 180 degrees. Into a tray, I'm going to add my frozen pakoras. Just spread them out so they're not touching. They're a fantastic option to have in the freezer, particularly if you just want a quick snack, but also for a vegetarian dish just like this. So they take no time at all to cook, about 10 to 12 minutes until they're crispy and golden. Right, while they're cooking in the oven, let's make a pico de gallo, which is a Mexican salsa. Just really fresh flavors to go with our pakoras. Some onion, just finely chopped onion, about a tablespoon or so. To this finely chopped tomato. I've de-seeded the tomato because I don't want it to be too watery. And I love a bit of chilli in this. So one long chilli. I'm going to just cut them into really thin rounds and leaving the seeds in it because I want a bit of heat. If you don't want this to be too spicy, of course, just take out the seeds. That should do it. And some lovely fresh coriander. Have a look at that. So I'll just pick off the leaves. Bit of stalk is totally fine for this. And we'll chop it up. Okay. I just love all of the bright colours for a dish like this. You can take this salsa even further by adding some corn or even some cucumber would work nicely. Okay, in that goes. And a good hit of salt. And lots of lime juice. So this one's nice and juicy, I can feel that. So good squeeze in there. In fact, I'm going to use the whole lot. And you do want to do this as the pakoras are cooking in the oven, just so it can sit and marinate for a bit, so all of the flavours mingle. So just give that a mix. See how pretty that is? Okay, that's one topping. The next one I think is a must is a little guacamole. I've got a mortar and pestle. You can just mash this in a bowl if you like. Some garlic, so one clove of garlic into the mortar and pestle with a pinch of salt. Okay. You really want that salt in there because as you mash it, it's going to become quite sticky and not as harsh in flavour. Mash. And that's what we're after. See how that's really pureed down? Perfect. Next, a ripe avocado. I'm going to cut that in half. Oh, look at that. Just right. I'll grab a spoon. We're just going to scoop all of that out into a mortar and pestle and break it up. It needs to be rough, so just bruise that up. We don't need to add any more salt because we added it at the beginning, and some more lime juice. Fantastic. I'll remove the pestle and just fold everything together. And that's going to be the sauce component along with the optional yogurt. All right, let's pop that to the side. The last thing we need to do is heat up some roti. So I'm using roti as opposed to taco shells or tortillas. They actually work really well and they're perfect size and they're going to take about 30 seconds on each side. All right, these roti are toasty and perfectly cooked. So we're just going to lay them out and we can start building our tacos. We'll start with the base, so avocado, a big dollop of avocado on each. And I've brought the pakoras out of the oven. You can see how crispy and golden brown they are. I do allow them to cool slightly because, as you can imagine, piping hot. So spread that out. Then our pakoras go on. You can really fill them up. About 3 or 4 depending on their size. Go go. 3. I'm now just going to arrange them onto a plate, and I'm just going to sit them next to each other side by side so they hold up in their taco shape. Over here. Oh, that's the perfect plate. Love that. And let's give it a pop of colour with some yogurt and our lovely pico de gallo. So a dollop of yogurt on top. If you want to make this 100% vegan, just leave out the yogurt, or you could get some coconut yogurt would be another alternative. Dollop there, and our fresh pico de gallo over the top. Oh, look at that. Yum. Now, if this is not a quick dinner, then I don't know what is. And it's a really fantastic way of changing up how you eat pakoras. Instead of just having them as a snack, why not try this Mexican twist?